Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have posted. I've heard enough from my friends, but I am back today with another try on haul video, and this is in collaboration with Soulmia. So if you guys have seen in my previous videos, I have done a clothing try on haul with the brand Floral, and they have merged with Soulmia. So they have sent me a couple of pieces and I will be opening them, unboxing them, reviewing them in real time, and trying them on for you, as well as sharing, you know, sizes, material fit, all of that. If you guys are interested in shopping their website, I have an 18% off discount code for you, and it is 18bella. I will leave that in the description below, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Here are all the items that I picked out from Soulmia. Everything is still in their packaging. I just received this in the mail like literally 2 hours ago, got ready, and now I'm here. So let's go through each item. I will insert the clips of me trying them on, and yeah, give you that first impression review. So let's get started. I probably should not have done that. All right, so this is the first item that I got. I believe this is a dress. I know summer is coming to an end, but I'll still make time to wear this. Okay, this is super cute. So this is a very nice, like, flowy summer dress. There's like a floral print on it. There's a lot of like oranges and a little bit of green. I love the sleeves. They're super like flowy, and it's like not skin tight, which also helps with, you know, the weather. And then there's like a little bit of like an elastic cuff at the end. Super plunging neckline. And then it also comes with a little tie around the waist, so you can have, you know, your waist snatched, and then it just flows out in like a little A-line type skirt. And then there is a zipper on the back. I believe I got this in a small. So this is the next item. It is also a really pretty colorful print. Ooh. Okay, so this feels very similar to the last dress. It's like a very nice thin material. As you can see, this is a halter, so there's like this. Thought you could adjust this, but you can't. I think this like buttons up around the neck like this. There's a little keyhole opening here around the chest area, a little bit of cinching on the waist, and then don't know if you can see, but there's like a little like tail that comes out on the front. This is just like, you know, it just hangs like this. You don't tie this around your waist or anything, so it's just like a decorative piece, and I hope this ends up looking good on me. But there's also a zipper on the back, and I also got this in a small. I think this will be super cute to wear to like brunch or like high tea. I think it'd be so cute. Like a pair of like white heels, a little white bag, maybe a sun hat. So we'll see how I style this in the try on clip. This item here that I have next is green, as you can tell. I believe this was like a, two-piece set. So this is the first piece. This is the skirt. It's like a satiny material, a little bit of stretch. My concern, just looking at it right now, it looks very wide. So I did get this in a medium just because I was looking at their size chart and they recommended a medium, but this looks pretty wide, so might have to tailor this. But the top was super cute. I honestly don't even remember it being two pieces, but this is the top. It's super cute, and what I loved about it the most was the sleeves. It's got that like, you know, retro like 60s vibes to it. Love it. And then it just ties in the front with these guys, and I think you can like tie it in the front and then like around your waist. So I don't know, I thought this was super fun. I don't have anything like in this like funky pattern. I know green is like the color of the season, like sage green and stuff, so I mean, I thought this would be fun to kind of just wear to any type of summer outing. You know, last video was like wineries or brunch, and that is pretty much the summer move. So yeah, I think this is super cute. My only concern again is that the skirt might be too big on my waist, but again, like, you can wear this top with like a white skirt or like some shorts or even some pants. So yeah, I think this is super cute. The next set that I got is this beige two-piece set, and I got this in a size medium. This is a very interesting material. I don't know how to explain it. I thought it would be more of like a knit or cotton material, but it feels like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so I ordered this in a medium, but clearly on the shorts it says large, but that's okay because it looks like it'd still be very comfy to lounge around in. And then the top, which is also in a large, I'm not sure if this is going to fit. It looks like it might, but my boobies might be too small for it, but super cute. I love the beige color. Again, trying to explain the material, it just feels kind of like a synthetic, like polyester. Yeah, it's like not too stretchy. So you can see it's not that stretchy, but I love the color. I think my only concern with the bottoms is it's a little see-through, but this would be cute to wear, I guess, like to the beach, right? You can wear this to the beach and that'd be fun for a little beach day. You can wear your little bikini bottoms under this. But yeah, so my only thing with this is that it is not in the size that I got it in, and the material is interesting, but I feel like this would be super cute to wear with like a blazer and kind of go for like a little more classy look, or to the beach. So that's that. Okay, so the next thing that I got are these Y2K inspired leopard pants. I believe I got these in a size small. Ooh, okay, let me see the size. Yes, so it's in a size small. So I have ordered pants like this from Falofa before, and I had no doubts that Soulmia would kind of have like the same material of the pants, but this one feels a lot thicker than the zebra pants. This feels a lot thicker than the zebra pants. This feels a lot thicker than the zebra print pants that I have from my previous haul, and they're also high-waisted. And what I love about these pants is that it makes your butt look really good, and what's different about these ones is there's like a little cutout on the sides. So I think these will be super cute with like a pair of boots like to wear in the fall, and a little like leather jacket. But yeah, I'm super excited about these, and I hope like the length is like long enough for my body. I feel like it will be. For reference, I am 5'9", but yeah, I think this is like my favorite item so far. It's like super stretchy, super comfortable, and yeah, I know the print is not as versatile for like, you know, wearing it like on an everyday kind of like casual basis, but I think for like the fall, like transition season, like these would be great for fall. So yeah, I'm excited about these. So this is the next item. It is a little cardigan sweater. Ooh, feels warm. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so it looks like this. It's got like the two tones of blue. It's got 3 buttons in the front, and like you could wear it kind of like maybe 1 button off and like off shoulder. I think this would be super cute paired with like jeans, or even if it's like kind of chilly during like the summer like nights, be cute with like a little tennis skirt or a pair of like high-waisted jean shorts. So this is cute. Hopefully I'll be able to get somewhere out of this in the fall season or in the spring or even the winter, because summer here right now is a little too humid for this, and summer nights aren't that cold yet to get away with such a like thick sweater. Like this is like a really thick knit material, but this is super cute, and I don't have anything like this. I'm trying to venture off into more colors, so I think this will be super fun. This next item is a jumpsuit. I'm very curious to see how this is going to look on me. You guys can see that right now, right? It just looks so funny. Okay, so basically what this item is, it is a halter. So this is supposed to go around the neck, and then I'm supposed to thread like the string through these loops, and this kind of like covers like the chest, and then this goes around the waist, and then it kind of cuts off into these like long like flared pant bottoms, and then there's like a pretty scandalous slit on the side. It is pretty high up. It's like aligned with like, you know, the crotch area. So I mean, this is definitely something that I would probably wear on a vacation. I don't know if I would actually wear this out in the city, just because it is more of a scandalous outfit. And I will comment that like it also looks quite see-through. The material is pretty thick. It's kind of like a thicker cotton, so that'd be great for kind of, you know, absorbing the sweat throughout the day or throughout the night. So my only concern is I don't know if this is going to fully cover my boob area without any fallout. This is in a size small, and I wanted to get a small because like based on the size description in the chart, this one looked like it would fit me the best in terms of the waist, but my chest area is a little bit bigger, so this will be interesting to see how this fits. Once I put it together, it'll be super cute, so I'm excited about this. Okay, and so this is the last item. It is a two-piece set. I got it in a size medium, so this is the top. It's just like a plain white bandeau. Doesn't look like it'll be too see-through, but again, like you can wear pasties or you can wear a strapless bra with it. And then it just comes with the matching white bottoms. Very simple, casual pair of white pants. They're really long, really flowy. I love when like pants are high-waisted and cinched and then it kind of like flows out into this like wide leg pant bottom. So I think this will be super comfortable to wear on vacation because again, it's pretty see-through, so I don't know how I would be able to get away with wearing this out in the city, but definitely would be something that I would wear on vacation, whenever that will be. So that's that. Again, the material is very breezy, flowy. It could be perfect for the summertime. Congratulations for making it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my Soulmia try-on haul. Again, let me know in the comments below what your favorite piece was, and if you're interested in shopping their website, I will leave my 18% off discount code in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.